And we are talking about idioms connecting to cuisine, to kitchen, and we have Latin language today, so let's look at idioms. De gustibus non est disputandum. In matters of taste there can be no dispute. De gustibus non est disputandum, aliae homines in arte pictura magnum estimant opus classicum, quam vis aliae preferant opera moderna et abstrahentia. In matters of taste there can be no dispute. Some people greatly appreciate classical works of art, while other people modern abstract pieces. Cibi condimentum est fames. Hunger is a seasoning of food. Post laboriosum diurnam peregrinationem ad mensam sederant et panem cum caso simplicem manducaverunt. Tamen cibi condimentum est fames, et illi cibis sicut epole regum gustavit. After a laborious day of hiking, they sat at the table and ate plain bread with cheese. However, hunger is a seasoning of food, and that meal tasted like a feast, fit for kings. Cibus salubris, healthy food. Cibus salubris non solum est delectabilis, sed etiam corpore sanitate formentum prestat. Healthy food is not only delightful, but also provides nourishment for the well-being of the body. Cocus peritus, skilled cook. Cocus peritus in culina est magister artis culinarie, cuius deliciose coctiones cultus delectant. A skilled cook in the kitchen is a master of the culinary art, whose delicious preparations delight everyone. Mensa exquisita, exquisite table. Ad sedem invitati in mensa exquisita splendidos cibos et preclaras delicias gustamus. Invited to the dinner on the exquisite table, we savor splendid dishes and wonderful delicacies. Fercula sapid, tasty dishes. Cocus fercula sapida preparavit, que omnes in convivia delectant and palatus letificant. The cook prepared tasty dishes that delight everyone at the banquet and please the palates. Let's look at the dialogue. Salve collega, hodie nam cedem apud divitem particulum prepararedamus. Quae in mensa exquisita ponemus. Salvete certissime, autaium de gustibus non est disputandum, ido ter fercula sapite et condimentum est fames. Primum ferculum meam offeram cibum salubram et saporis copiosi, additamentum prestans. Optime, ego quoque cibum salubram ofto offere, ut patricius et eius hospites corpora sana teneant. Recte dices, nam cibus salubris mensam nobis augebit et patricio grato merit. Est naliqua recens coctio, quia de repossamus, imo est peritia meam ostendam, facem condituram ex novis herbis et speciebus aromatis, ut cibum meum in deliciis patricii ponam. Mirabile, quoquus peritus es. Tuas condimenta in mensa exquisita summo honore habebimus. Gratias tibi, ago collega. Et tibi gratias, collega, iam tibi condimentum est famis, neque dubito cum convivium nostrum et patricium ducatur. Et asperemus, gaudeamitur igitur et hanc celam splendide preparemus. Let's translate it. Greetings, colleague. Today we must prepare dinner for a rich patrician. What shall we put on the exquisite table? Greetings. Certainly, as I say, de gustibus non est disputandum. There is no accounting for taste. Therefore, let's say flavorful and appetizing dishes. I will first offer my dish, a healthy and tasty addition to the meal. Excellent. I also wish to provide a nutritious meal, so the patrician and his guests maintain good health. You are right. For a healthy meal, which enhance our reputation, will be pleasing to the patrician. Is there any recent recipe we can add? Certainly there is. I will showcase my culinary expertise. I'll create a sauce made from fresh herbs and aromatic spices to enhance the flavor of my dish for the patrician's delight. Marvelous, you're a skilled cook. Your condiments will be highly esteemed on the exquisite table. Thank you, colleague. And thank you too. Cibi condimentum est famis, and I have no doubt that our banquet will be taken to the patrician with great satisfaction. Let's hope so. So let's rejoice and prepare for this dinner splendidly. Thank you for your attention.